Okay, it is day 3, and we're going to wash our bed sheets today. I didn't bother making my bed because I knew I was doing this. Okay? Alright. Now it does say clean sheets and mattress, but I just don't want to clean my mattress. I've been cleaning it a lot lately, and in like a future video you're going to see why I've been like doing a whole bunch of mattress cleaning, but we're not to that video yet. Okay? Alright, so we're going to strip the bed, and then we're going to go to the washing machine. Okay? So I'm just going to take you to the washing machine now. Okay. Now, I don't know how well this is going to pick up on camera, but these are definitely, they're very, very off-white. They're almost ivory in color, and they were pure white when I got them. So I'm hoping that this bright and white laundry and home booster with oxygen and enzymes, it's a lot of words for a product name, sorry, but I'm hoping that this is going to work and do the trick. Okay, so we're going to load up the machine. I gotta get everything separated. It's a problem. I just pull it off the bed. I just kind of roll it into a ball. Anyone else just roll it into a ball? I find it's the best and the most effective way to get it off the bed. All right. So everybody's in. We add one. Okay, all fixed. We're gonna add 1 scoop of the whitening booster, 1 teaspoon of the laundry powder, and then I'm going to fill my fabric softener dispenser with vinegar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it on a hot water. I can talk today, I promise. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it on hot water temperature in whites with 2 rinses, just so that way I get everything rinsed off. Okay, so we'll be back when these are done and out of the laundry. Okay, so they're done. The dryer has gone off. We're going to check them, and we're going to see if they cleaned up the way I want them to. Okay, dryer balls, they're awesome. Okay, so we got a pillowcase. Oh, okay, I see you. Do you see that? Okay, here is the other pillowcase. Oh, I see, look at this. They're not like beautiful white, but you know what? Okay, look at that color difference. Look at that. Do you remember how like ivory color these were? Oh, mint. Okay, I think that's what the kids say now is mint. Anyway, now it's time to go make the bed. But done. So whatever day this was, I think day 3. Done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ow, I just hit my hand. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you again really soon. Bye.